Pimping.
What you doing? Hey, girl. You gotta get your music started again. I wish that penguin would start up.
Both of them are dancing. Listen to that.
Oh, why'd it quit?
I don't know. I'm gonna start it.
She says, how do I get it to do it again? There's Maisha.
So cute.
Sydney. Sydney. Sid. What are you doing, girl?
So I'm emptying that bucket.
I'm busy. Oh, hey there, sister. Oh, guess who's coming in the door? Yay!
Look at both of them. Smile.
Hey, Maisha.
Good morning.
It's about the rain today.
I don't know.
Dark outside.
Is it nice outside?
It's
Dark.
it's not cold. It's
Bye
just
bye,
like-
Sid. Bye bye. Can you wave to Mama? Bye bye. Bye. Bye bye.
I'm thinking about it.
So I'm camera shy.
Say, get Maisha to get her to laugh. She's
There she goes a little bit. Not too great. All right. Bye, Abe.
Sit.
Bye bye,
Say
Avery.
bye bye. How you gonna say bye bye? Bye bye.